Hey, what's up, everybody? Dominoes 7 here, okay? Got my hair cut and stuff like that. But anyway, I want to talk about yesterday's episode of Jeopardy, okay? So, I haven't vlogged about Jeopardy in a long time, but I'm vlogging now, okay? So, what I want to talk about is, for a couple of days, Jackie Fauch, how to pronounce her name, she was winning and winning. She was on a roll 4 days in a row, okay? If she would have won yesterday, she would have guaranteed a spot in the Tournament of Champions, though. So she only won 4 days, so you never know. She could make it to the Tournament of Champions. I don't know, okay? So it depends on how many people win or whatever, So if a lot of other contestants, new contestants, win 5 games, she could be knocked off the list, She could be, But we don't know, okay? We definitely don't know, okay? So yesterday, Andrew Kung whipped that ass yesterday. He definitely whipped ass yesterday, So, the thing is, though, I enjoyed Jackie, okay? I mean, she almost won her 5th game, but she wasn't doing good as far as that, Yes, indeed. So we all gonna miss Jackie unless she make it to the Tournament of Champions. So just in case somebody would constantly win, So Dave, this guy with a mustache, he almost won his 5th game a couple of weeks ago. Let me see if I could find that whatchamacallit though. All right, so let me see. So anyway, as I was saying, folks, I mean this guy named Dave. I guess that's his name, but let me look through this, All right, so I'll go to the archives, Okay. Sometimes I'll be having computer trouble, So so let me just about to find that list. Who the hell? All right, so okay, as soon as I can, the name is Dave Leffler, I think. He almost won his 5th game, but Stacey Huffman dethroned him, So he could have a spot. Depends on how many people win the games and stuff, Okay, because but the Tournament of Champions ain't gonna be until season 36, And Marianne Borer, she almost won. She almost won her 5th game, She could have been a second lady, or Jackie could have been the second woman to be in a Tournament of Champions after Rachel Lindgren, unless a female win the next teachers tournament or the next college championship, So we'll have to see what's gonna be up with that, okay? So on that note, Andrew Kung whipped that ass yesterday. Let's see if he gonna whip that ass today, whip that ass tomorrow. Well, if he whip that ass today, he might whip that ass tomorrow, whip that ass the day after tomorrow, or whatever. We don't know yet. Well, no, today Friday, the 21st, okay? So, December 21st is today, okay? Alright, so that's it for now. Thank y'all for watching, alright? let's see how Andrew gonna do today. Okay, all right.